Okay, red record light is on, correct. Okay, right people, the next bit is the fun bit. Okay, first of all you need a level surface, which is what we've been working on all the time. The gantry you need to check and make sure is absolutely 90 degrees to the surface. Why I'm being meticulous on this bit is because the gantry has to be exactly 90 degrees to the Y bed. Okay, a fraction of a degree, okay, you can't be 100% accurate. I'm not expecting to be 100% accurate, but on this bit I'm taking my time, and I think this is really the most important bit as far as I'm concerned, because I want the gantry as close to 90 degrees to the Y bed as I can possibly make it. So if I labour on this a bit, I apologise in advance, but I want to, you'll see why as we go along anyway, why I'm being pernickety. That's a big word, isn't it? Okay, so that is nice and square to the work surface. Yeah, there's no bend in it at all. Great stuff. Now then, what we're going to do, and you'll see it on here better than there, we are going to put stops that are absolutely spot on. Oops, get rid of the pen, Raymond. Right, just like that. And then we're going to mark the back, and do the other side, mark the back, and then I'm going to cut them, double check. I shall then drill 4 holes in each one, because as I say, these have got to be absolutely spot on, and then they'll be glued and screwed. Okay, so we'll start with this one first, because that way one is khaki-handed. Right. Now if you want to skip to a different position on the video, please feel free. Right. That is it. There. Using my trusty pencil there. This line is only a guide. It won't matter if you go below this level, but not too much. But the thickness of the saw blade is as far as you need to go below this top surface. So this isn't really it doesn't need to be as accurate as making sure the right angle is accurate. I'm going to stop you for a second because I'm going to go get a... I'm back again. Told you it was a second. I can use a marker on this, because as I said, it doesn't need to be 100%. We'll do the same on this side. Right, mark them left and right. The reason for that, excuse me, is because on this side I've got a little bit of board sticking up. Well, I'm not going to muck about trying to cut that off. All I'm going to do is when this goes up, is I'm going to chamfer off a bit of that edge, just so that it will sit there and be perfect. Right, I'm going to cut these now, and then I'll bring you back and we'll go to the next stage. Okay, shall we sec? Keeps, I'm back, I think. Yes, I'm recording. I'm double checking now. Right, they're done, they're ready to go in place. Now then, I've already gone ahead, I don't know if you can see that, yeah, and just got a knife and took out a chunk to take into account this bit of PCB packing that's sticking up, and it has no detriment on it whatsoever. So now, one day I shall be prepared. One day. Right. I haven't got much power in it. Let's change the battery as well. 2 seconds. Switch that on. And we have power. Okay. Let me use this. Now, am I going to screw this into there or that into there? I think if I screw that into there, then I'll have more control over it, keeping level. If I do it the other way around, screws try pushing out. Right, okay. Before I do that, all I'm going to do is literally just take my thumb, basically, finger and thumb, like that, same all the way around, so that it gives me you can do this any way you like, but I'll do it this way because it's quicker and easier. And also you get the same on all of them, providing you don't move your finger. If you move your finger, you go all over the place. Right, here we go then. Let's see if we can stick it to them. One. There's some people. This battery's dead as well. Guess I forgot to turn it on. Yeah, charge it up. Well, it was on the charger, but the charger wasn't switched on. So I'm not going to force it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to wait until the other battery's charged up, and I'll put this one on charge, and then I'll come back to you. Sorry about this, but it's just one of those things. Life. Okay then? Right. I'll talk to you later. Bye for now.